Email marketing continues to be one of the most profitable and effective online promotion tools. But for your newsletters to be successful and bring results, understanding how to use them in your business is the key. In this video, we'll explain email marketing core principles and break down the paramount steps to email marketing success. Let's give it a go! So, email marketing. The first and most important thing here is to feed your email campaigns into your sales funnel. Someone calls this the client's path, user flow, auto funnel or sales funnel. There is no big difference, believe me. It's all about how a customer communicates with you. Be it from the need for your product to ongoing collaborations and repeated sales to becoming a brand advocate. Fair to say that in the early stages of a typical funnel where you need to drive traffic to your site, email marketing is not the most effective tool. Use SEO, contextual advertising and targeting to start off. It's the stage of transforming the received traffic into leads when email marketing comes into play. The thing is that while visiting a website, a prospect isn't always ready to buy straight away. So considering alternative options for obtaining customer contacts is paramount. These are subscription forms, lead magnets or tripwires. But with a user email address on hand, you can create a welcome series to maximize a lead's conversion into a paying client. Use the transactional email system to accompany and enhance the buying process. Don't stop there. Send service and after-sales emails, regular campaigns and bulk promotional emails for repeat sales. As a brainy marketer, remember to track the action and the clients in action. For example, if a client signs up without placing an order or buys without returning, focus on email campaigns. They motivate the client and increase the conversion. Form a system of trigger emails using the SendPulse's Automation 360 function. Here, you can quickly and simply build a series of emails and set the condition for sending and tracking results. Now, we'll break down the funnel and focus on the latest issues and trending technologies. So, first, collect the base. Set up subscription forms and lead magnets so that the client eventually leaves their email address. In addition, the database collection must correspond to the user situation and needs. For the main page, place an application form for a consultation in the product section, a lead magnet with a price list, or a discount for a subscription. If you guess the client's request, they are more likely to leave their email address. On the other hand, there are so many communication channels now that placing them all on the main page will lead to chaos and scare the customers away. In this case, choose omnichannel subscription forms. They offer to decide on the most convenient way for the client to receive information – email, SMS, web push or messengers. Have received the email address? Perfect! The second step would be warming the client up with a series of welcome emails. Starting the communication should be automatic and respond to customers' actions and inactions. What do you include in welcome emails? It can be an email with your benefits, company values, a collaboration algorithm, a portfolio, or first order discount. Don't make your series linear. Stop the series or continue sending whether the client purchased or not, whether they respond to your emails or ignore them. A well-thought-out welcome series significantly increases the conversion and leads into paying customers. The next important step is setting up the transactional email system. This includes abandoned cart emails, order receipt and delivery notifications, and feedback collection emails. Let's break down the abandoned cart logic. Often, customers choose a product but fail to pay for their order. In this case, think of 2 or 3 emails that will motivate them to return and complete the order. Such emails can be sent, for example, in 2 hours or within a day. In the first email, simply remind about the forgotten product, and in the second, you can hint that the price may change, the chosen products will end, and hurry the client up to complete the order. Introducing such a system of emails saves your customers at the purchase stage and simply brings more sales. Next comes the post-sales email system. Sometimes business spends a lot of effort on the first sale, but does little to ensure the customer's return. Sounds familiar? You can easily avoid this bummer at a minimal cost. In your post-sale series of emails, you can clarify what product the client plans to buy in the future, offer a bonus cashback, and thus motivate the client to repurchase as much as possible. And of course, regular sales and content mailings. They help to always remain on the client's radar, prompt them, and form loyalty and trust in the brand. And we are done! I would like to voice essential rules that make your email marketing more effective. Always try to automate your emails. The automatic system does not require a lot of maintenance costs and brings results constantly. Constantly work on segmentation and personalization of your emails. Relevant emails are always more effective. Take an omnichannel approach. Not only emails, but also SMS, browser notification, messages in instant messengers, and chatbots can strengthen the funnel. As a result, a competent email marketing setup will allow you to transform traffic into leads more effectively, motivate a client to make the first purchase, increase conversion at the sales stage, and ensure repeat purchases. Like the video? Let us know by subscribing to our channel, sharing this video on your social media, and hitting the like button. See you in the next video.